What's up, you fucking hater? This is for anyone say I'm not Italian or Portuguese or Canadian. You haters, here's one flag, Portuguese. There's another flag, Canadian. There's another flag. I'm a Canadian Portuguese descent of Portuguese and consent of Italian and consent of Canada. I'm Portuguese consent because of my father. My father is Portuguese. That means I'm half Portuguese. The Italian one is Italian consent. My mother is an Italian woman, came from Italy to Canada. My father, Portugal from Canada. That means I'm a Canadian citizen, Portuguese, Italian. You don't like me because I'm Italian, Portuguese, and Canadian. You have all these freaking fake wannabes, wanna be Italian, wanna be Canadian, wanna be Portuguese. It never will fucking happen. I got proof. I got flags. Portuguese, Canadian, and Italian. Because I am Italian, Portuguese, Canadian consent. My father is Portuguese. My mother is Italian. And I am Canadian. That's why all three flags mean something to me. The Italian flag means something to me. I ain't no fake YouTuber. I'm not no fake white noise piece of crap. I'm not no fake Portuguese. I'm not no fake Italian. I ain't no fake Canadian. I'm not fake. I'm real. My channel is real. All you haters would like to be heard and hate people are the real deal. You can go float and go yourself. I'm done with the fucking haters. I'm done with all you haters that hate me. You're just jealous you're not Italian. You're jealous you're not Portuguese. You're jealous you're not Canadian. You're just jealous. 100% jealous of the sexiness I bring to my table. I 100% bring 100% Portuguese, 100% Italian, and 100 Canadian. You don't like me, go yourself. You do, stick around, see more crazy videos. This is just for the white noise bullshit. All the haters that hate me. You don't scare me worth shit. I seen people die. I seen people get buried in concrete. I see people die in hospital beds. I seen people die in hospital beds because I was in the hospital almost dying. And I saw a person, cold blue, cold red, freaking, that person died like a bag of shit. And I got scared being in the hospital. I hear people puking right beside me. I heard people freaking puking. I hear people crying. I heard people puking, shitting, crying, dying, and having a big giant orgasm, ass grabbing, pussy grabbing, tit grabbing. I seen it all, and I'm tired of it. All of you haters that hate me, go yourself and go float. Go sacrifice a small goat, you freaking haters. I'm sexy and you know it. Johanna. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the like button and go yourself. Because I am a Portuguese, I am Canadian, and I'm Italian. I'm Italian, Canadian, Portuguese consent. You don't like me, go yourself. And stop being a fucking racist. You freaking haters. Go float.